Good morning all of you. In the last class we have solved problems related to design of sewer. And today we will discuss about different shapes of sewer. Generally the sewer of circular shapes are adopted because they have the following advantages. So circular shape sewer afford the least perimeter and hence the requirement of construction material is minimum. Second one is there are no corners and hence the chances of deposition of organic matter are reduced. Third one is they are easy to manufacture or construct and handle. And these advantages of the circular shaped sewer are available only when the sewers are running at least half full. And if the depth in a circular sewer is less than one half, then there is considerable reduction in velocity as well as discharge, and it will result in its poor performance. Thus, these circular sewers prove to be the best when the discharge does not vary too much and the chances of sewer running, there will be minimum chance of the sewer running with very low depth. Therefore, sometimes non-circular shapes are also used for the following reasons. So, they are provided in order to bring down the cost of construction, to make the sewer large enough for a man to enter for cleaning and repairing purpose, to improve the velocity of flow when the depth of sewage is low, as just we have discussed that circular sewers are will show very poor performance when the discharge of sewage is low. So in order to overcome that demerit, sometimes we will use non-circular shape sewer. These are also used in order to secure more structural strength. So these are some reasons why sometimes we are going for non-circular shapes sewer. So now we will discuss about different types of non-circular shapes sewer, such as these are commonly basket handle section, Caternary section, egg shaped section, Horseshoe section, Parabolic section, Rectangular section, Semicircular section, Semi-elliptical section and U-shaped section. So now we will discuss in brief about these shapes. First one is basket handle section. In this type of sewer, the upper portion of the sewer is in the shape of a basket handle. So see the picture of the basket handle section. The bottom portion is narrower in width than the upper portion. So the bottom portion will carry the small discharge, and during monsoon when there is heavy discharge, the combined sewage is carried through the full section. Okay. So this is the basket handle section. Second one is Caternary section. In this type of sewer, the shape of the shiver is in the form of a catenary. Means the curve formed by a flexible homogeneous chord, and it is hanging freely between two points of supports. Here there is no other force acting upon the shiver except the force of gravity. So this shape of shiver is suitable for tunneling work. Third one is egg-shaped section. This type of shiver is suitable for carrying combined flow. See, this is the egg-shaped shiver. So this is suitable for carrying combined flow of sewage. And the main advantage of this type of shiver is it will give some higher velocity during low flow than a circular shiver of same capacity. But its construction is difficult and it is less stable than the circular section. Okay, and hence it requires a good masonry support or backing. Then next one is horseshoe section. So the horseshoe section of shiver is used for the construction of large shiver with heavy discharge. This is the diagram of horseshoe section. It is generally adopted for outfall shiver or trunk shiver where the discharge is very heavy. And this section is also suitable when the available headroom for the construction of shiver is limited. And the invert of the shiver, that means the lower portion of the shiver, may be flat, circular or parabolic. Its top is semicircular with sides inclined or vertical. It is mostly used for constructing shivers in tunnels. Then next one is parabolic section. So the upper arch of the shiver in this parabolic section takes the form of a parabola. So this is the image of a parabolic section. The shiver with parabolic section is suitable for carrying small quantities of sewage, and it is found to be economic in construction. And the invert, that is the lower portion of the shiver, may be flat, elliptical or parabolic. Next one is rectangular or box type section. So this rectangular section is also known as box type section. Okay. So the rectangular or box type section is stable. So this is the diagram of a rectangular section. This one is stable and it is easy to construct. It is sometimes used as storage tank. Sometimes what happens, the sewage from a outfall shiver cannot be discharged into the sea during heavy tide, and hence it becomes necessary to store the sewage for some period. So in that case, generally the rectangular section is used. Then semicircular section. The semicircular section gives a wide base at the bottom. So this is the semicircular section, and it becomes suitable for constructing large shiver with less available headroom. Then next is semi-elliptical section. So semi-elliptical section is adopted for soft soil as it is more stable, and this section is not suitable for carrying small quantities of sewage, and it is generally adopted for shiver having diameter greater than 1.80 meter. Okay. Next one is U-shaped section. So next one is U-shaped section. So this is the diagram of a U-shaped section. Here the this is in the form of a letter U, and it is easy to construct in this type of shiver is easy to construct in an open court. And these are the invert of the shiver may be in the form of semicircular arch or even flat, and the sides are vertical and the top is flat. So this is all about the different shapes of shiver. Thank you.